Morning, everybody. Beautiful sunny day at the off-grid homestead. Beautiful. I have been incredibly busy recently working on some projects. We are doing up... I'm stuttering and pausing because nobody's going to know what I'm saying. We're working on DIY to video community, and we're going to have our own blockchain and our own cryptocurrency. Before, if anybody does understand what I'm saying, they can follow along. Before, we had a token riding on the Ethereum blockchain, but Ethereum is not looking healthy right now. And I don't want our company to be riding on another network and at our mercy. That's just not a safe business tactic. So we're developing our own blockchain, which means our video data and everything else will be distributed among thousands or even millions of computers around the world. And those people who volunteer their computing resources will be rewarded in DIY2 coins, which they will then be able to cash out for whatever currency in their country. So we've been working on that really hard recently. And that's pretty much this week. I can't remember much else. Oh, I've been prettying up the store, the Sari Sari Shop. Maybe I'll take you around this morning in the store and give you an overview, because I've been really working hard in the store. I realize we're sitting on a potential gold mine, and I have some ideas for expansion and improving the place. But what I want to show you today, I'm so shocked. I walked over to the solar panels, and there's chunks of ice that's starting to melt already, but yeah, that one's already melting. Just that fast. The sun is starting to warm it up. But that's ice. Ooh, it's dirty. These panels are so filthy. There's ice. Wow, it's starting to warm up fast with the sun. But that is very bad. Boy, I should have not have talked so much. I came out and it's melting. It's warming up that fast because the sun is shining. But wow, that's look, if I touch it, it's gonna melt. Now I wasn't gonna talk about weather anymore, but this is a lot and surprising. That's very surprising. I didn't think I knew it was going to be cold last night, but I didn't think it'd be that cold. That's bad. So I didn't have the garden covered. It looks like it's okay over here. I hope everything's okay, because it was windy last night. It was horribly windy. So one problem we have with our garden is the terrible strong wind. Yeah, I don't know, see. I don't know if they're going to... I guess we're going to find out later once things warm up. Now, last night, Melanie harvested some tomatoes for us. And some cucumbers are getting ready. And there's more chilies coming along. The corn is starting to grow. And we've got some cute watermelons in here. I don't know if they're normal full-size watermelons or if they're babies, but we still have a lot more growing. We're gonna have a lot of watermelons when this is done. Something is sleeping in here and wrecking the bed, so I have to get a camera out here. Something is sleeping in here at night and flattening out and killing the plant. This is a weird little thing. Now, it might have been 3 different plants in one container. Boy, I hope that's not frost on that. Boy, I hope not. Oh, I hope it didn't get that cold. I won't know until that thaws out and warms up. There's a gourd. And then there's well, it's all different gourds. So that's what we're having here is gourds. Boy, I hope it didn't get harmed. So, there's that. The powdery mildew is wrecking everything. the chilies are still looking good. Melanie's plant collapsed, and I don't know what happened. It doesn't look good. It just sort of flattened itself. Maybe it's too heavy. I don't know what happened. Our little summer squash thing, it's been really cold overall, and it's been hard on the plants. These are really starting to produce more flowers, a lot. So hopefully that'll be good. And then that little guy has slowed down. Everything's slowed down. The growth of everything has slowed down, because it's been in 60s to 70s by day and 40s at night, and I'd say as low as 30s. Well, I hope that's not frost. It was too windy. We couldn't cover this. We just couldn't do it last night. It was ripping it apart on us. Anyway, oh look, see? Something's crawling through here. Look, something's ripping through here and crawling through the side. I'm gonna have to close that off. So whatever it is climbing up and going in right here and sleeping right in the middle of the bed. You can see the branches are broken, and it's all flattened here. So here, see that? They're all broken right here and then over here. So something's sleeping in here. I gotta fix that problem. But anyway, I gotta go get ready for work. Maybe I'll show you around at the store in a bit. So over here at the store, we've made some changes. We have some new products, and I've really got to get the time to get them online. We've got some candies just in time for the winter season. Those are menthol candies. Eucalyptus, honey manzi, which is lime, and then honey lemon. And we've got chocolate pillows. I'm not going to put them on the online store because we're selling out as fast already. We're already selling out. It's just going so fast. We have some new sauces and flavors. A calamansi extract, all natural, pure extract. We have a higher quality soy sauce, which is actually cheaper. And we have the sweet chili sauce, which I can't put online because we're selling too much. I might put a couple of them online. We've got the caramel puffs, Moby caramel puffs. This is all we've got of the Moby chocolate puffs. And those are good, so good. Then we've got the Cheez-Its, and we've got the Clover chips. We've got a whole mess of snacks. And we've got sour cream and onion chips. A lot of new snacks. Oh, those aren't online yet. Ding Dong Snack Mix. And we've restocked the noodles. I mean, we've got a lot of stuff in here. It's a pretty full store. And we've got new varieties of stuff, Michelle. Hi. We just got in a few minutes ago. Oh yeah, we've got new various types of rice now. We've got different kinds of frozen products now. We've got Nestle Milo. We've got another type of coffee. We've got the Nora noodles back in. So we're expanding, and we got a pretty decent looking store now. It's starting to take shape. It looks good. I'm very pleased. We've got a discount section over here. We've got some boxes we just brought in. We've got to set up. I have taken out the coffee bar, and it's just going to be an additional area to sell products, because we never sold coffee, and considering we were surrounded by offices here, I really thought we would sell coffee, but yeah, that didn't happen. Over here in our freezer we have some really amazing stuff that was selling well. We've got banana leaves, we've got bananas, frozen bananas, we've got sausages, different sausages that the Asians love so much. We got different types of fish, special hot dogs, we've got mung bean cakes, got a lot of cool stuff. We've got the spring roll wrappers, those sell good. 3 different kinds of sausages. We've got little fish, we haven't had these ones yet. Smoked and gutted gulangong. I'd have to look up what that is and translate it. But the banana wrappers are really cool. I'll probably do another video for the store. We have a discount section here. So yeah, I think we need to do a full walk around for the Sari Sari Shop itself, but we're looking good. And then we got some expansion to our products over here. The shelves are more filled up, and yeah, I think we're doing all right. So I'm gonna get this video up to you guys, and I gotta start doing some more product reviews because we have a lot of products in here, and we have a lot of room for expansion. So we can definitely get a lot more in here. I plan on having 3 times the amount of products as we have in here. And those of you who are interested, please check out our store, sarisarishop.net, and that's our online webpage, and sarisarishop.org is our store where you can buy any of the grocery items we have in the store. And then I'm going to start putting on some of the gift items on the store as well. It's not just groceries, because Sari Sari means variety store, and things that can be redone. Some of these are handmade items. A lot of these are all handmade crafts, things that we can restock. And I'm going to put on some of my cables, which are selling very well. The cables are doing good, and I'm going to put some of them online to help move them faster so we can buy more different varieties of products. But yeah, we sold a lot. It's looking good. So, alright guys, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, sitting here in our store, our grocery store, Asian grocery store, and a little bit of everything. Well, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Having our own business is definitely self-sufficiency. We are not a burden on society. We are contributing to society. Talk to you later.